Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the integrated terminal so you can run commands inside your project. Press Ctrl+ or choose View then Terminal. This immediately creates a session linked to your workspace. Once done, set a default shell so commands behave predictably. Click the terminal drop-down and select your preferred shell, such as PowerShell or Bash. Make sure your project folder is open in the Explorer so relative paths work. This avoids confusion when you run build or git commands later. With the terminal open, you run commands directly: npm install, git status, or your build tool. Use the plus icon to create new tabs for parallel tasks and split the terminal when you need to watch logs while running tests. Once running, you can switch between tabs quickly with Ctrl+Tab or the drop-down. Make sure to use the workspace root. If a command fails, check the current directory with pwd or cd to the correct folder, because wrong paths cause most mid-process errors. To finish, stop running processes with Ctrl+C and close unused terminals using the trash icon to keep memory low. Once done, clear the view with Clear or Ctrl+L and reuse recent commands with the up arrow to speed repetitive work. If something breaks, check your path and default shell in settings. Missing binaries cause most issues. Also, reopen the terminal after changing settings to apply them. If problems persist, copy error text and run the same command in an external shell to compare behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.